Hello friends and potential friends. Today is May 18th. It's about 2:30, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We were supposed to get some rain today. I watched it on the radar coming across the state. It looks like Tampa got it pretty good. Orlando got a reasonable amount. And then as it moved between Orlando and the East Coast, it just kind of fizzled out before it got here. And I was out here this morning trying to get one of my rain barrels up onto a more sturdy platform so I'd be ready for it. I emptied that thing out yesterday into a bunch of orange juice jugs. I think I filled up 50 of them. And now I have absolutely no rain to fill it back up again. I had to fix it, or replace it. This was the old stand that I built about 5-6 years ago. Held up pretty well. Made it mostly out of 2x6s and 4x4s. As you can see, one of the 4x4s was not much longer for this world. And with all that weight on there, I'm surprised it held up as well as it did. But anyway, I'm out here in the heat. It's about 85. Wish we would have got some of that rain, but you do what you do. I figured I'd do a little bit of a walk around and check out the pepper crop. And this is my habanada, and it's got one little pepper starting to form in there. I hope you can see. There it is. Yeah, that one shows. I'm not going to cover everything today, but a few things worth looking at. Over here on the Jimmynard Loz, got a couple of them that are starting to turn red. This one's kind of cute. I hope you can see that up there. Got a little red tongue sticking out at the very top of it. Reminds me of one of the old Rolling Stones covers. Still have some datals that are ripening up over there. And I've got more Jimmynard Loz that are not ripening yet, but they'll be getting there before too long. Pulled a bunch more sweet potato slips yesterday and put them in the sweet potato patch. Here's another view of some of the datals that are ripening up. Had a couple dozen of these that I dehydrated the other day, and then I ground them up into powder. So I've got some hot chili powder in the kitchen now. Oh look, and I have one Prax cherry tomato that's starting to ripen. Even though that plant is slowly withering away, I really need to move that out of there and find a better someplace that it'll be happier. And let's see, we got some more of the habanadas over here starting to form. And there's a couple of nice ones. The bell peppers. I've got some little bell peppers starting to form. First time I've actually been able to get bell peppers to even make it to this stage. There's another one in there. And there's one on this bush. A couple on this bush. So I might be getting some bell peppers pretty soon. As you can see, everything's kind of wilted out here in the middle of the afternoon. I've seen the UV index get as high as 7 so far, which is considered high. Jalapenos, still doing pretty good. The other one, not so good. It's got some blossoms on it, a couple of teeny tiny peppers starting to form. Let's see, Tabasco. Starting to get some Tabasco peppers starting to form. And back in the hot stuff. Some blossoms on that plant. Meanwhile, the one next to it has got 4 peppers. Some of those are pretty nice size too. Ooh, that one's going to start changing color pretty soon, I bet. 3 or 4 on that bush. These ones are the Caribbean orange, and there's a bunch of little peppers coming up on there. Same with this one out here at the edge. And then the What does that say? Lemon habaneros. Got little blossoms all over them, but I don't see any peppers on those yet. But anyway, we're going to be harvesting some more peppers before too long. As you can see, the sweet potato bed is all kind of shriveled and wilted right now in the heat. But they'll come back. As soon as the sun goes down, they'll be perked back up again. And I guess I'll be out here watering. Just wanted to walk around a little bit and figured I'd go ahead and turn the camera on. And I relocated my yard art, mainly because I needed the concrete blocks that were under it to get that water barrel up in the air a little bit better. Well, it's getting kind of warm out here. I'm starting to sweat again, so I think I'm going to bring this to a close. Just wanted to give a quick update on all the peppers I got popping out in here. I'll see you on the next one.